started years ago, and a lot of the Irish, we would call them Irish traditional fiddle players, like the traditional fiddlers we call them. But they seemed to get the impression that there was no fiddle music up in County Down. So on the way home in the car, Nigel says, I'm going to put that right. And he did.
Well, it was, there's a lot of research in places, newspaper libraries, written resource, Prony, public records, the General Registry Office. There's a lot of that sort of hard research, but there's a lot of, I kept several balls in the air at once, keep it interesting. So I'd have been doing that at certain times. I'd been out playing 2-3 nights a week. I was going to dances. I was sitting in farmhouses with all these out hands and everything. So there was plenty of things to keep it alive and interesting. Had I just been doing one facet, I'd have probably got bored.
These fiddlers have been playing for hundreds of years, and well, they were never recognised until Nigel. And then people said to me, good fiddle players from all over Ireland, said, I didn't know there was that many fiddlers in North Down. Well, I know now.
To be honest, it was a privilege and an honour, the number of people, dozens and dozens of people that I met, who were very free with their time and their information, and just lovely folk all around, whether they be dancers, families of the dancers, and the musicians themselves. You know.